This video is sponsored by Eduquest.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to Eduquest, where learning is made just for you. At Eduquest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with Eduquest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
Hey there, construction enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode where I dive into the world of building construction materials. Today, I'm going to break down the essential materials you need to know about for any construction project. So, let's get right into it. First up, we have concrete. Concrete is a composite material composed of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with a fluid cement that hardens over time. It's incredibly versatile and used in foundations, walls, floors, and even roads. Remember, the key to strong concrete is the right mix of ingredients and curing process. Next, let's talk about steel. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon, and it's known for its high tensile strength and durability. It's used in the framework of high-rise buildings, bridges, and other structures that require robust support. Fun fact: steel can be recycled without losing its properties, making it an eco-friendly choice. Moving on to wood. Wood has been used in construction for thousands of years. It's renewable, lightweight, and easy to work with. Different types of wood, like oak, pine, and cedar, each have their unique properties, so choose according to your project's needs. Next up is brick. Bricks are one of the oldest known building materials, used for thousands of years and made primarily from clay. They are known for their durability and fire resistance. Plus, they give that classic, timeless look to buildings. Now, let's not forget about insulation materials. Insulation keeps your building energy efficient and comfortable. Materials like fiberglass, foam board, and spray foam are commonly used. Make sure to choose the right insulation for your climate and building type. Up next is glass. Glass is used extensively in modern architecture for windows, facades, and partitions. It allows natural light to enter while providing thermal insulation and soundproofing. Keep in mind, different types of glass like tempered, laminated, and low-E glass serve different purposes. Lastly, let's touch on composite materials. These are made from two or more constituent materials with significantly different properties. Examples include fiber-reinforced polymers and engineered wood. They offer enhanced strength and durability, often used in specialized applications. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's rundown of essential construction materials. Remember, choosing the right materials is crucial for the longevity and safety of your project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more construction insights. Until next time, stay safe and keep building.